What's the meaning of bite? Bite. Bite.
Bite. Bite. The word bite refers to the action of using one's teeth to break or sever something, usually food or an object. It can also carry a figurative meaning, such as when someone is criticizing or attacking another person verbally. Additionally, bite can be used in a descriptive manner to refer to a feeling or sensation, such as the sharpness of cold weather or the irritating sting of an insect bite. The word can also be used as a noun, referring to the mark left by teeth on an object or the space between them. Overall, bite is a versatile word that can convey both physical and abstract concepts.